This video is a step-by-step guide on how to shop on the Shein platform, and I'm going to take you through everything you need to know, from getting to know the app, how to get the app installed on your phone, how to get on the Shein platform, how to browse the app, and everything from start to finish, from starting your order and getting it delivered to you in Ghana right here. And I'm going to make everything so simple so that you can follow through. So let's get right into it. Hi there, my name is Apiamra. If you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. We make helpful videos on online shopping, consumer technology, helping you stay safe online and making the most out of your devices. If that is something you're interested in, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that whenever we drop more awesome content like this, you get to see it. Now, let's get into the video. First things first, what is Shein? Now, Shein is a Chinese-based company specialized in selling clothes and other accessories. So Shein is a big online clothing store. I think the majority of the things that they sell are clothing accessories. Of course, you can find other things on Shein like home decor, electronics and all that, but Shein is just big on the clothing and fashion aspect. So think of Shein like the Temu for clothing. And so if you're looking for places where you get very quality but affordable clothing, then Shein is a place you have to look into. And they are known for very cheap clothes, trendy, fast fashion for women mostly, but there are also categories for men. So if you're a man, don't just skip because I just said it's for women. Mostly, let's just say majority of the things on the platform are women based, fashion women, but then there are very good options for you if you're also a man. And one thing about them is that they ship worldwide, and so if you're in Ghana, you can shop on the Shein platform. Now, to get onto the platform, you can visit their website shein.com or go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for Shein, S-E-H-I-N, as you can see on your screen. Just click on download and then you click on download. Once you click on download, you click on open and then it will take you straight into the app. Now, this is the interface of the app. It says welcome to Shein. Over here, you're going to set your location, your language, and then your currency. So currently my location is set to Ghana, my language is English, my currency is GHS. Then I'm going to click on shop now. So when you click on shop now, obviously most of these online platforms nowadays are trying to play the Temu game by offering you free stuff and other things, but then over here you just have to log in. You can either log in with your email or phone number or continue with your Google account, which I prefer because it's just straightforward and it eliminates the process of just filling in all information. So I just click on my Google account and then it loads. I wait for it to load and then I get into the app. Now over here on the app, as I said, there are a lot of gamification and points. If you're interested in that, you can go into that. But then browsing on the app, you can see that there are a lot of things women centered, eyelashes, bags, chains, jewelry, clothing, and a whole lot of other stuff just by browsing on the app. So if you're a man, don't just come here and think that this is just women only app. If you're a man, there are also things for you. So there are other categories that you can also browse. There is the women, shoes. Then there's a category for men where anything men eats. There are other categories as well for kids. There's another category for curve, jewelry, and accessories, where if you want to find your jewelry, so if you want to buy anything jewelry, you go there. Then there's the home category. Then if you come over here to all, you can see all the categories that they have. So men, jewelry, home and living, underwear, beauty and health, baby and maternity, blah blah. So just as I said, there are a lot of categories. You come over here to the trends and then you can see various things that are trending on the app currently. So over here to your cart, you know that it's empty. This is where when you shop for something, when you add something, it lands. So you once in your cart, you see that it is empty. You go to your profile and you can see your profile name, your coupons, whether the things that you've bought, whether they've been shipped and all that. So let's just come back here to the category, and then you notice that in the category there are also electronics. So just as I said, it's not only for women only, there are electronics as well that you can browse. When you click on cell phone and accessories, there are some pretty decent mobile phones that you can buy. Even though I must say that if you are looking for electronics, if that's the main thing you're shopping for, then I think you should look at other platforms specified for that. You know, each platform has a thing that they are dedicated in selling, and Shein is not just for electronics. If you want to buy electronics on Shein, good for you, but I'll prefer you go on to other apps. This is just the general overview of the app. As I said, it's not for women only, and so if, let's say, you're a man and you want to order something, let me just take you through. Now this process will be the same if you're a woman and you're trying to order for stuff on Shein and all those things. So if we go over here to the men category, you can see various things that are there that you can purchase. Maybe I want to buy this unisex balaclava ski mask going for 25 Ghana cedis. Note that it says 3 pieces, and then the style type black, army green, the marine military green, and other things, and it says free shipping as well. So mostly whatever you buy on Shein, you're going to get free shipping. Make sure you read the reviews first before you actually buy anything on the Shein platform. So now you click on it and you just have to look at the various images of the particular thing that you're coming to buy. Sometimes the first image might be quite deceptive, and so you have to look at the other images to actually see if that is what you are interested in. Make sure you also look at the style and then the size to make sure that it is something that you're interested in. And you notice that when I click on black, it's 25 Ghana cedis, but the first image says 3 pieces. And so if you click on the black only, or the army green, or the one with one color, that is the 25 cedis. So in actual sense, the 3 pieces is more than the 1 piece. So this is something that you have to take note of. If not, you order something thinking it's 3 pieces, and by the time it comes, you notice that it is just 1 piece. So you notice that the black plus white plus gray, which is the 3 pieces, is for 62 Ghana cedis, and you click on add to cart. Now if you want to purchase this, you can click on the cart icon on top there, and then you can see the product summary: unisex balaclava ski mask, blah blah blah, 62.70 Ghana cedis. Then you come over here to checkout. So checkout is where you're going to fill in your delivery address and payment options and other things. Over here, I'm going to type in my location. I'm going to set the location to Ghana. I'm going to type in my first name, my last name, and also I'm going to type in my phone number. Make sure this number is the one that if they call you, they are going to get you. Also over here, you're supposed to select your region and then your town. So you select your region. If you're in Ashanti region, you select Ashanti region, then the town, Kumasi. Then over here, postcode, you can enter 00233, and then you enter your house number or street. So I'm going to just enter where I am. Then over here, there's another option for apartment stroke building stroke area or neighborhood. So just describe where you are specifically, and then you can choose to make this the default shipping option, and then you click on checkout. Now over here, you are going to add your payment method. So you notice that there is credit or debit card, and then there is Momo. So whichever you want to use. If you want to use the credit or debit card, you choose, then you enter your card details. If you want the Momo, you choose just as I have done, and then you're going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, over here it's going to take you to a page where you enter your Momo number. So you enter your Momo number, and then you can either choose to check, collect, and remember for later use, so that you wouldn't have to enter in it anytime. Then click on continue. So over here it's going to take you to the payment page, and then it's going to send you an automatic debit. So over here you're being asked to enter your mobile money pin to authorize the transaction. If you do not receive the automatic debit, please make sure you go into *170# and then go to my wallet option 6 and then authorize it from there manually. So basically that is the payment processes. Make sure you fill in your shipping address, your billing address, make sure the payment is good through, and as simple as that. Shein doesn't need to be complicated. I know a lot of people that shop on Shein for others, and so you can also take that as a business. Another business venture you can take on Shein is, you know, there are a lot of very affordable clothing materials and other things, a whole lot of other things on Shein. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go on the platform, buy these items in bulk for very cheap prices, and you know, the more you buy in bulk, the better the price. So you buy maybe women clothing, if that's your niche, if that's what you're specializing in, you buy them in bulk, and then once it gets to Ghana, you add your commission on top. Of course, you're going to enjoy free shipping and other things, so you add your commission on top. And so if you buy, let's say 10 pieces of a clothing for 10 Ghana cedis, that's 10 times 10, that's 100 cedis, and if you're selling each one for 20 cedis, that's an additional 100 cedis for you, and then you can use the money to do whatever you want. I expect that when you get a profit, you reinvest it back into the business to get a bigger capital and all that. So that basically is Shein platform, a complete walkthrough from installing the app to buying your products and paying for it. When you order for items on Shein, they usually give you an expected delivery time, which usually is about a month or less, and then you are just supposed to wait for it. When it comes, depending on the delivery company that they use, mostly Speedup, Skynet, they're going to contact you and then they're going to deliver it to you. As simple as that. So let me know if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. Make sure you like this video if you found this valuable, and subscribe to, I don't know why you've not subscribed yet after all this I've been doing for you. Charlie, I beg, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put us on post notifications. Very, very important, so that whenever we drop more awesome content like this, you will be notified. Till we meet again, my name is Api Amra, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.